Most businesses are about to waste a massive amount of money on AI, not because AI doesn't work, but because they are choosing the wrong strategy. There are three paths: AI model training, fine-tuning large language models, and RAG architecture. They are not interchangeable, and choosing the wrong one can cost you millions in time, compute, and lost ROI. So, here's the real question. Do you actually need to change how the model thinks, or do you just need to give it better information? In the next few minutes, I'm going to make this decision crystal clear for your business. Let's break this down the right way for your business. We will start at the most extreme and resource-intensive end of the spectrum. First up, AI model training from scratch. This is exactly as intense as it sounds. We are talking about building an AI brain from scratch. Think about that for a second. You are not just giving it information to read. You are building its core ability to reason, its understanding of language, everything, from a completely random starting point. It is a massive undertaking. Here is the scale. You need enormous data sets and enormous compute power. The model must learn statistical relationships across trillions of words. That takes a huge amount of GPU time, weeks, sometimes months. This is not something you casually attempt. It requires a world-class, heavily funded team. Training your own AI model from scratch is for research labs, universities, and frontier AI companies. For almost every other business, this is not where you will find ROI. Period. So if building a brain from scratch is unrealistic for most businesses, what is the next option? That brings us to fine-tuning large language models. Fine-tuning is more focused, more controlled. You are not starting from zero. You are taking a model that already understands language and reasoning. Then you carefully adjust it. You guide it to think in a very specific way that matches your industry or domain. When does this make sense? It makes sense in highly specialized fields like biotech research or proprietary legal reasoning, situations where the AI needs to adopt a new reasoning pattern. But for a chatbot for a local plumbing company or a basic FAQ page, that is overkill. You have to ask yourself, is the added cost and complexity justified? Here is the key principle. You only fine-tune a large language model when you need to change how it reasons, its behavior, not just what facts it has access to. Fine-tuning is about thinking differently, not just knowing more. Now, let's talk about the third option. And for most businesses, this is where you should start. Retrieval augmented generation, also known as RAG architecture. RAG does not change the model. It does not alter the brain. It simply gives the model better information at the moment it answers. Think of it like this. RAG turns every question into an open book test. The model's intelligence stays the same. But when you ask a question, you provide relevant company documents or data. Then you say, use your reasoning skills on this information. The power here is huge. You get up-to-date information. You leverage your internal company knowledge, and there is no retraining cost. That means you can update and iterate quickly. It is agile. It is practical. It protects your budget. If you have been searching LLM versus RAG, here is the simple truth. An LLM is the brain. RAG is how you give that brain better information. It is not LLM versus RAG. It is how they work together. So, how do we organize all of this in a simple mental model? Think in terms of a knowledge hierarchy. At the center are the internal weights. This is the core brain created during initial training. It is fixed. The next layer is prompt context. That is short-term memory. The instructions and information you provide in the current conversation. Outside of that is retrieval, or RAG. This is where your system pulls relevant documents from a database to add context. On the outermost layer are external systems, live data from APIs, web searches, and other integrations. Here is the trade-off. As you move further from the frozen core, the information becomes more current and dynamic, but the system also becomes more complex and slightly slower. Your strategy is simple. Solve your problem at the highest, simplest, and fastest layer possible. The goal is not to use advanced AI just to say you did. It is to get measurable business results. Training changes the entire model. That is for research labs. Fine-tuning adjusts reasoning patterns. That is for highly specialized use cases. In the RAG versus fine-tuning decision, RAG changes the information the model sees at runtime. That is why it works for most businesses. So forget about bragging rights like saying you trained your own model. Ask only 3 questions. Did it reduce costs? Did it increase revenue? Did it improve customer experience? If the answer is yes, the strategy worked. That is what matters. Before you launch into a complex and expensive AI project, start at the simplest layer. Ask yourself, is there a faster, easier, and more effective way to get the result we need? That is the foundation of a winning AI strategy.